Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2018 Chrysler 300, and if you're looking for an incredible sedan that is super luxurious and comfortable with leather heated cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, and tons more, then you're going to want to check it out. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color. Love that with your Chrysler badging in the middle of your grille there. You also have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below, and this has a front sensing system with another sensor on the front for some of your safety features. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and looking down at your wheels, those are 19-inch alloy wheels. This could fall under our certification, and if it does, it would be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. To learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information on that. Your side mirrors are chrome capped with indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there's vehicles in your blind spot, and you also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats, super comfortable. You have that perforated insert in the middle. Love the design of these. They are also heated and ventilated, power adjustable with memory settings for your driver's side. Then looking at your steering wheel, it is also leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming cruise controls, and adaptive cruise control right there with your media controls on the back. Then looking at your media center, it's an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by UCONNECT. You have your radio options there, media controls, so you can plug in your own device. Climate controls here, they are dual, and then you have all of your different UCONNECT apps on these pages, including Projection Manager. Just everything is really conveniently located there. Here you have your buttons for your seats and your steering wheel. You also have navigation when you have your map set up. Then you have access to directions, points of interest, all of that good stuff. Then you have your phone settings here, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and text messages, and you also have a backup camera when your vehicle is in reverse. There you can see that nice clear picture. So down below you have lane departure warning, your sensing systems, traction control, and then all of your radio and climate control buttons. This does open up to show a 12-volt. Love all this wood trim throughout the center. It looks really classy. You have 2 cup holders right there, and then inside of your center console you have this shelf that you can take out. You also have 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12-volt. Then looking up you have SOS Assist, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and then controls to your panoramic sunroof, which just really opens up the top of this vehicle. Then making your way out, this has a Harman Kardon sound system for that amplified sound. Okay, so looking in the back here, you have room for 3 passengers. You also have cup holder arm and stuff bolts down, have a compartment there, and these seats are heated in the back too. Super nice. You have their buttons there with 2 USB ports. Make your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, 300 and all-wheel drive badging along with your rear sensing system. This does have a power trunk and remote start on your key fob. And look at how big this trunk is. I mean, lots and lots of space in the back here. So overall, it just gives you peak features in technology and comfort and style. And if you want to see this Chrysler 300 or any of our other sedans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.